Hey guys, little update of both tanks today, but as you can see, this is more quickly focused on the discus, since I empty the trophies one. So right now, the job of the day consisted in water change, and since you don't have any more 300 liter, but 550 liter, it's another story when you need to do some water change. So 200 liters that I used to do, it's just something like that. This time I have done 200 liter of reverse osmosis water. This is without any mineral in it. And after that, I added 100 liter of tap water with quite some minerals here in this area, I would say. And the purpose is in fact to force the pH to be high and as stable as possible in order to avoid in next weeks any drop or acidosis of this pH, because we won't be there. So the tank is turning currently ready to run autonomously over 3 weeks, something like that, meaning that you have the automatic top off, you have the auto feeder, of course, and you have a little piece of monitoring. The first difference, or the first new equipment that I installed today, I don't know if you can see something. So it's a question of water clarity. In fact, they are just waiting to get fed. Huh? In fact, over the last weeks, since we started the tank again, it was running without any UV filter. Meaning that even if the filtration, mechanical filtration, is quite good with this wallpaper system that you may know already, without any UV, you still have some pieces or species or whatever living stuff in suspension in the water. And you can simply really make it clear as the result that you can see here right now, with a good UV system. Here, this is Aquamedic. We are running 36 watt, and this is something like 40 centimeter long. It's sized for 1,500 liter of fresh water, so we are quite a third of the capacity of the UV. So it's really good, I think. Clearly. So, and the other little modification of the setup, and this is quite a good one because it is safer, and a good one because in fact I have been able to do it even if the tank was started with fish in it. So you may wonder, what did I do again? And this is going under the tank. So I show you, I let you guess what is the difference between this tank and the one that you can see in transparency here. I show you again. I guess you start to see, and yes, you're right, this is this reinforcement aluprofil in the middle. I don't know, I was just thinking the other day, I haven't done any simulation to just get a visualization of the force, and even if I'm pretty sure it would be fine, why not just to add an aluprofil in the middle? The question is, if you haven't planned to do it, is it easy or is it complicated? In fact, you do your watt and change, as I told you at the beginning of the video, meaning that it's not half a ton, but 200 kilos. It is a bit lighter. You can unscrew here. You can unscrew a little bit. Okay, you don't see so much. Wait. Here, you can unscrew inside. Okay, just to get 1 millimeter. Hopefully it did work pretty well. You have the space needed to insert this tubing here. And after that you fix it and you fix back everything. It did went very smoothly, I have to say, and I am quite happy with that. So the little and another point, it was to fulfill this reservoir of top off automatic fulfill. Okay, believe me, you have some water in it. The point is, as you can read, you have 52 liters instead of the little 15 liter. So you may, I hope that in 3 weeks we will have used just half of it, given the fact that your tank is closed, as you can see, and I just have a little space here open on the complete larger of the tank for the auto feeder here, and for this auto feeder here, and accessory for the little camera, monitoring camera number 1 here, monitoring camera number 2 over there, monitoring camera number 3 over there. Here, this is the sump one. So you may think, yeah, but this is a bit stupid. What do you need to have a look on your sump? Simply, thanks to Mi Home application, I get some information about the log and the event of what did occur, or especially what did not occur. And sometimes, in order to help you to understand and to see a bit more the diagnosis of what did happen or did not, you need to get another view, even remotely, on your tank and your filter. So that's all for the day, guys. Hope everything is going fine at your place. Here it's starting back smoothly, and this is now the nice aspect when you are setting up some tank, especially when you know and quite everything has been proved previously. You are relaxed and you just have to focus on the nice aspect, what to find, where to find, how to get the nice result that you would like to see in your living space, and especially for your living spaces. That's all for the days. Ciao, guys.